Hello, all you lovely ladies and gents. Welcome back to Makeup Junkie 75. I am Kelly, and it's awesome to be back with y'all today. This is actually a little bit of a refilm from my attempt yesterday. And those of you who follow my Facebook page know the shenanigans that happened with my cats wanting to get in on the filming yesterday. So we're going to do this again today, and hopefully no shenanigans. So this is going to be another tutorial slash review video. The last one I did for you guys when I did the Voodoo Queen seemed to get a pretty good response, so hopefully you guys liked it. And thank you for everyone who watched it, by the way. I said that I was going to review the other two new TG Bedhead hot tools that I recently got. So, yep, today I'm going to be doing the Bedhead Wave Artist, the Deep Waver. So, I'm going to wave my hair for this tutorial and also tell you guys a little bit about this. Now, this one, again, I got it at Target, and again, for the fancy ones, we can say Target. It actually has a lock on it, so it comes like this, and then on the top, flip that little switch, and it opens. And that's what it looks like on the inside. They do have a temperature set, anywhere from high to low. I have mine set on about a medium, and there you go. And it does heat up pretty fast, but I have it over here on my trusty flat iron mat to make sure that it heats up enough. So I got it at Target for, and again, that one was $21.97 as well. So I did a review on the 2-inch crimper by Bedhead in my last video, so that was $21.97 at Target, and this one was as well. So you know what, I've used them a few times now, and they do seem to be like really good quality, and for $21.97, I'm like, you know what, compared to what I have spent just on flat irons alone, $21.97 is really inexpensive. So, and I love the TG Bedhead products anyway. I love a lot of their sprays, so I figured, you know what, why not try out the hot tools. So far so good. So, alrighty. If you're wondering what's going on with my hair here, I don't know if you guys can really see it on camera. Yes, I still have the ombre hair, and I did order these extensions in black and burgundy, but what I did is I dyed the ombre part a combination of Deep Purple by Special Effects and Rockabilly Blue, which is more of a purple-based blue, and that is by the Manic Panic Amplified line. And I've washed my hair several times since then, and it's still, the ombre part's real dark. The purple's becoming a lot more prominent now as it gradually fades, but I mean, it was dark. It was so dark that unless I was in the sunlight, it looked like my hair was all black. So yeah, I just wanted to darken that a little bit, but that's what went on with my hair, so no, it's not all black again. So yeah, gonna whip out the trusty extension brush and proceed to wave the hair today. Now again, you can do this in sections. Which I am definitely going to do for this, just to brush it out real good. Okay. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, this is a Necromantic's Dead Girls Don't Cry album. So, okay. So it should definitely be hot enough now. So all you do is you take it like so. Get it up there and hang on to that hair, probably for about the count of 5, depending on the thickness of your hair. And just go right on down the line. You guys can see that. Okay, can you guys see that? Really nice waves going on there. Get the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see that. Can you see all that? Neat, huh? Very, very neat. Okay, so gonna go ahead and do this last little section here. Alright. So there you go, that's pretty awesome looking. And I can tell you from previous experience that, yeah, the waves pretty much, they will last until you wash your hair again. So, okay. Gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see this. But yeah, definitely a neat, oh god, son of a bitch. I did that yesterday. I keep poking myself like with my thumbnail. My nails look atrocious, and I am, of course, missing the pinky. Those are the ones that always fall off. I haven't had them done in about 3 weeks, so I'm getting them done on Friday, but I shit you not, I have been like skewering myself left and right with my freaking fingernails. Okay, there you go. And again, really nice, even wave going on there. So yeah. The last time I waved my hair was when we went out to see, there we go, our awesome pals in a drag show. And, see, there you go. Ah. I'm going to go ahead and wave the back real quick. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but... And I pulled like the sides up with my nifty... Show them to you guys real quick. My skull barrettes on either side, and I'm serious. Like, as I said, speaking from experience, if the wave does last until you wash your hair again, it does. I mean, I slept on my hair and everything else, and then like we pretty much woke up the next morning and just kind of brushed through it a little bit and still had that nice wave going on. So there we go. That's all nice and waved. So, and I mean, if you wanted to do, I think it would be would be really essential, like if you kind of had bobbed hair and you wanted to do kind of like that pin-up wave style. I think that would be extremely cute. So yeah, this is a wonderful little tool to have. I'm loving it so far. I'm just gonna hit this one section of my hair one more time. There you go. And since I am doing my zombie clown tutorial today, I mean, this doesn't have to be particularly neat. I just wanted to do something like a little different with my hair. And also review this puppy for you guys. So I figured, you know what, it would be a really good opportunity. But, I mean, that's how fast it works, literally. So... yeah, there you go. It's all nice and waved. And, yep. Again, $21.97 at Target. And, make sure, though, those of you who have gone on the Target site before probably know that there is a section where you can type in-store or online. So, yep, make sure if you want to go to the store to buy it, you hit in-store. So, yeah, I had found all three of my Bedhead Hot Tools that I purchased there at Target. So yeah. So that is, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. That is my review on the Bedhead PG Wave Artist. Looks like yay. And like I said, when this cools down, there's a right there to lock it. I will lock it again because it does make it a little less awkward to store. So yeah, hair's all nice and waved. I would definitely recommend it. You could have a lot of fun with it as far as styling goes. I might even do a look because I have Halloween, as you know, is coming right up on our heels here, which is a holiday that I live for, obviously. And I want to do a tutorial where my hair is like half crimped and like half waved. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to configure that yet, but I think that would probably turn out pretty cool. And I do have to review my little 1-inch crimper still for you guys, so I'll be doing that next. I kind of like these review and tutorial videos, so you kind of get like 2 videos in one. But as I said, would definitely recommend that one. Hope you guys enjoyed this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my contact lenses in, because those of you who follow my if I can freaking talk today, pardon me, those of you who follow my channel know that I put my contact lenses in ahead of time. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those in and then put the camera over my makeup table, and we're going to get on with the tutorial. So I will see you guys in a few. Okay, hi, I'm back. As you can see, I have my contact lenses in. This is the Lunar Eclipse contact, and this is the Zombie contact, I believe. They're both by CamoEyes.com, and as always, I will put the link to CamoEyes.com in the description box below. So you can see the definitely see the wave going on with the hair right now. So adjust this camera just a tad. There we go. Sorry about focus. There we go. Thank you. Just gonna pull my hair back for now. Don't want it all up in our face. And yeah. Go ahead and pull my bangs up too. Okay. Alrighty. Now, first things first, we're going to start off, if Kelly can freaking talk today, we're going to start off with some liquid latex, and this is by Bedhead, and I really like this little liquid latex jar because it comes with the brush already attached. So I just want some, zombie skin gashes here, so I'm going to put a couple layers on various parts of my face here, and this video, by the way, is inspired by a request that I got from my friend Tammy Simpson. She wanted a zombie, so I decided I was going to go ahead and throw the two together, because those of you who follow my channel, again, know that I like a lot of the circus, freak show, carnival type stuff, and even though I am, excuse me, in so many words, scared shitless of clowns, I tend to love to do clown makeup, because I think they are. They just, a lot of them just carry like a really creepy element to them. So love doing the makeup. Let me put it this way: I wouldn't want like a clown prop in my house during Halloween or anything. Nothing too huge. Because I can just see me getting up in the middle of the night to get something to drink or whatever and running into that damn thing, and yeah. I definitely love doing the clown makeup. It's like I said, they carry an element of creepiness with them. Let's make this a little bit wider. You could even do like a couple, depending on how much you want to build it up, you could even do a couple small layers of toilet paper in between your liquid latex application, but I'm choosing to just do straight liquid latex today. Okay, while those 2 layers are drying, I also think I'm going to do another one over here because we're going to do something interesting with the cheek today. You don't want to make it like too perfectly round unless that's what you're going for. But also when I pair it up with my little tool, I do have a spatula as well, but this just works a lot better. But be very careful when you're using something sharp like that you don't like poke yourself with it. Take your time with the process. I'm going to use my dual-ended foundation / contour brush, and of course, got to break into the Snazaroo, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender to even everything out before I powder. Okay. Now that that latex is pretty dry, you can go ahead and get a little tool here. We got our 3 sections all torn here. So now it is time. This is a little cream stack, and this is just like a really kind of dark, like aged blood look. So I'm going to take some of this and just put it inside of those wounds. You don't want to, and when you do, if you're going to do a wound up here, you definitely like don't want to tear off that edge that goes like right along your hairline right there. And don't worry about covering that up with like the white Snazaroo because you're going to do some detailing work around that. I'm going to take another tiny little detailing brush and here's some mustard yellow. That's kind of, there we go. This is what I mean by like do some detailing around it. Just make it look like that aged nasty zombie. take that same brush with a little bit of, some black on one side, and just kind of blend that around the edges. We're going to stack back together here. Alrighty. I just want to touch up my Snazaroo. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take some black eyeliner by the e.l.f. mineral line and go ahead and line my waterline. Now this is my Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner in blackest black. And I'm just going to get this on a fluffy brush and kind of go into my socket here and kind of make my eyes look a little sunken in. And you only want to blend it about like halfway around each eye because you're going to do some more detailing work like over here and over here. However, though, it's your zombie clown, so is exactly how it's supposed to be. Okay, now the makeup itself is done, so all I'm going to do is just kind of pull down my hair and put on a little bit of a costume, and I will be right back with you guys for the completed look, so stick with me. Okay, hi, I'm back. You know what, I decided that I'm not going to put on a costume with this because I think that after pulling my hair down, the face pretty much says it all. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed my zombie clown tutorial because I had a super awesome time creating it for you. And thank you, Tammy Simpson, for the request and the inspiration. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you enjoy it as well. So, yeah. This is it for now. So, I have quite a few tutorials coming up because, like I said, Halloween is right up on our heels. So stay tuned because I will be back with another one very soon. I will have a complete list of products that I used today in the description box below, along with all my social networking sites. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out and I really appreciate it. So yeah. Oh, I also have an Instagram page now, so follow me at MakeupJunkie75 on Instagram. So, would love to have you guys follow me. So until next time, have an awesome rest of the week, have an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys again with another gory tutorial very soon. So take care. Bye.